channel. My name is Vanessa Michelle and we are here with a new video. So today I am coming to you with another Bigbabysmagic special. Now I'm gonna call it a special, but I made my first viral vintage heart cake with the bows, everything. Like, I did the most with this cake since it was my first time making this cake. Plus, I was making it for a customer who is celebrating her Pisces birthday. So of course, Pisces season, I had to go all out with her favorite color and everything. And she loved the cake and everything else in between. But without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also go check out my business page, Bigbabysmagic, because all of this, all my baking videos, bartending, all that stuff is all connected to Bigbabysmagic. You have to go check out and support my business page. It's my baby. It's me. Big Baby is me. My dad used to call me Big Baby all the time, and it's named after me. So definitely go support my Instagram page, and I will highly appreciate it. If you do go check out my business page and you find it from this video, definitely do purple hearts under the video that is going to be already, is definitely on my business page as of today. But yeah, definitely go check that out. I did do a little bit of background in regards to what cake I use. I made my own butter pecan cake. It was my first time trying out this recipe, and it came out perfectly. It came out so good, and I was so happy, and I'm so glad that my client loved the cake. And yeah, I'm not gonna make this too long. I'm so excited, I'm so happy, because I didn't know how I was gonna go about it, but it worked out as it always does. God is great all the time. This video is really gonna showcase me improving on my decoration skills and actually seeing and watching me progress as I continue to decorate and make these cakes. I will have my other videos that is also connected to my business, Bigbabysmagic, also linked in the description box down below. If you guys want any details in regards to the things that I use, I can't really say what tips per se because they're from different places and I don't know the exact names to everything, but I will do my best to link what I can. But without further ado, we're gonna jump into this video and you guys are gonna check out everything and whatever else in between. But yeah, without further ado, we're gonna jump into this video.